Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a portable air purifier. So in a way you can also call this as a portable desktop air purifier as well. But this is basically what the packaging looks like on the outside. Let's actually open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when you first open it up, you guys can see they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to replace the filter and everything on here. And then once we take it out, you guys can see that is basically what the packaging looks like right there. So they provide you guys a cable which is USB to USB-C to activate it and charge up the product. And then right underneath that, you guys can see the actual product itself. Alright, so when you take out the product itself, you guys can see that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So this is basically what the product looks like right here, if you can see. So the top part of the fan is right here. You guys can see the light indicator right here to show you guys each different mode. This one has 3 different modes. So it has a sleep mode, a normal mode, and also a strong purification mode. And right here is the button you guys want to press to activate it and change the different modes as well. And let's take a look at the back part here. This is where to plug in your USB-C cable that they provide for you guys to charge it up and activate it. And then the bottom right here, this is basically what it looks like here. So they do have the anti-skid material to prevent it from moving around where you guys have it on a flat surface. And then right here is basically where the air purification will start. So basically it will absorb everything such as the dust, the pollen, the odor, the mold, the allergen, the smoke, and everything through here into the filter. And it'll come out here with fresh air. And you guys can see the design for the actual product itself is a 360 air purifier design. And if you guys want to change the filter, you need to open up this part right here just like this. And you can take it out. And that is basically what the filter looks like inside, as you can see. So you just want to take this part out like this. And that is basically what the inside looks like right there. So you can see the fan in there as well. And for this one, it has a 3-layer of purification. So if you guys are wondering what each stage of the purification or the filter is, it's all right here. And for this product, since it is a compact air purifier, it actually has a coverage of 215 square feet. So that definitely is a small coverage, not like a huge one compared to your normal air purifier that is the big ones. So for this product itself, I definitely love how small and portable it is. So you can basically put this anywhere and bring with you guys anywhere as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's put it back together and we'll try it out and see what actually works first. So right here, I have it plugged in right here into my power bank. Plug in right here. Alright, let's try it out. So you can see that it does work, if you can see. So that is a silent mode. Next one, normal mode. And the next one right here, that's the strongest mode. And if I press it one more time, it turns off. So pretty easy to use, super small and compact, easy to bring with you guys anywhere, if you can see. You guys can connect this onto your power outlets, or you can just connect it onto a power bank. Alright, so now that we did a quick test on the product itself, you guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use, as in use this basically almost anywhere. It's definitely super amazing how small and portable, so I can basically put this anywhere and use it anywhere as well. If you guys can hear, the silent mode is super quiet, but when you guys turn it on to the highest mode, which is strong purification mode, that one is actually really loud. So you can definitely tell that the product itself does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.